How to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger app at once. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all your Facebook Messenger messages efficiently on your iOS or Android device. So this tutorial provides step-by-step methods to clear your Messenger inbox. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to head over and open your Messenger application and you will be redirected to the chats. So first of all, you get a long press on the specific chat that you wish to delete. For example, I wish to delete this one, and you gotta simply long press on it and then you gotta click on delete over here. So once you do so, it would say delete this entire conversation. You gotta head over, click on delete, and then you gotta click on delete more here at the top. So you gotta be very quick because this option appears for a very short period just when you delete a specific conversation. So simply click on delete more and then you gotta simply head over, click on select all, and once you do so, you gotta simply click on delete and it says delete 18 chats. This can't be undone, so you gotta simply head over, click on delete, and now you can see there are no recent chats. That means that the chats have been successfully deleted. So that was how you can delete all messages on Facebook Messenger app at once. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.